Hey, today we are in Willis, Texas, putting in what's called a triple line. This down there, this is called a Chinese handcuff. When you were a little kid, you may remember those. And the drill is there, down there, and there's the drill machine, and they're going to pull these three lines. There's one, two, three. They're going to pull these three lines of conduit back to all the way underground to just this part here. As you can see, there's the drill pipe, and it's going to pull back. Okay, Norman is preparing the line, the second line to be pulled. The third line is coming up. It's a relatively short pull, maybe 25 feet. They're going to turn on the water so that it softens the dirt for the pull. You can see the water coming. Pull will start. A triple line pull is a pretty amazing thing. And we'll turn it back on in a second. Okay. No longer can you hear the water, but you can see the water. And let's take it from this side. Okay, so now he's pulling the pipe back. First he has to unscrew the pipe, then push it up into the pipe rack. Then the shuttle comes down, screws onto the next piece of pipe, and here he goes. Doing a good job. So here's where we started. As you can see now, it's made its way this far. And pretty soon, there it is. You're going to see it come out. That chain is to widen the hole, because the drill bit is only 4 inches, because there's 3 conduits. They need to widen the hole to about 6 inches. So they wrap a chain around the drill pipe. And the conduit is roughly about here. He's going to back it out. There it is. Job complete.